नहीं नहीं, धमकी नहीं दे रहा हूँ, नहीं दे रहा हूँ, नहीं 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 दे रहा हूँ।
अकबर साहब, अकबर साहब, अकबर साहब,
ऑनरेबल सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर,
सब्जेक्ट का ऊपर बात करिए।
नो सर, आई हैव टू गिव अ क्लैरिफिकेशन सर. Sir, it's a very big allegation which he said कि we didn't allow Azharuddin to win. Sir, मैं भी ये बोलना चाह रहा हूं, there is an history. बाबा साहब अंबेडकर एक दलित थे और उस बाबा साहब अंबेडकर दलित को नहीं जीतने कौन दिए? कौन? सर ये बोलो सर, कौन? कौन?
कौन? This is unfair, sir. This is unfair. No, sir.
आप डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं।
नहीं हो सकता साहब। ये this is, sir, I request honorable member, a senior member. Now it's a high time. Why we have to stand up? We have to stand up before all the 57 new members and show our eminence. Please try to understand. We are on the serious subject on the state finances. If I request honorable member, because the TRS doesn't have any reply on this, so they just want to sidetrack the issue. Please understand, Akbar Bhai. Akbar Bhai, if they have the guts, try to speak on the subject. If you have any subject, try to speak on this subject. Don't try to sidetrack the subject, sir. Sir, if there are any unparliamentary words, either on our treasury bench's side or on their side, try to remove or expunge from the record, sir. I request honorable member Akbaruddin Sahab to conclude on the subject. My request to him, sir.
Please.
Because anyway, TRS is not interested to discuss on this subject. They are running away from this subject and they are trying to instigate the members, sir. Try to understand, sir.
Please, Akbar Sahab, please. Subject बात करें सब.
Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to come on record and also clarify on one last thing which is very important. Honorable Chief Minister Saab had said that it was Congress which gave the 4%. Let me remind and correct, that time he was not in Congress. That time he was, I don't know, anyway. Sir,
Please.
sir, it was Rajshekhar Reddy, sir. Sir, I would like to correct the record, sir. Sir, it was Rajshekhar Reddy, MIM and Congress both together were successful in getting the 4% reservation, sir. One cannot take this credit. We cannot forget Rajshekhar Reddy, sir. And Rajshekhar Reddy was a true gentleman, sir. Because of his nature, we were together, sir. And at that time, leaders from Delhi, sir, again I do not want to mention the name, they came and met my late father at my father's residence. My father told, include in your manifesto about reservation to Muslims. Then MIM will come together with you and we will work. Rajshekhar Reddy Saab included that in the Congress manifesto in United Andhra Pradesh. After that, together, Rajshekhar Reddy and myself, we struggled, sir. We fought for it, and also Muhammad Ali Shabbir was also part of it, sir. So we together got the 4%. Do not say that it is only Congress who got 4%. This is unfair. We were also part of it. And then,
Please,
sir,
please go on subject, please.
Yes, sir.
Please.
और उसके बाद में,
Please.
सर, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, बहैसियत एक रुकने असेंबली, क्या मैं अपने चीफ मिनिस्टर के सामने अपने मसाइल को नहीं रख सकता? क्या मैं एक रुकने असेंबली की हैसियत से मेरे पुराने शहर में या मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में अगर किसी चीज की जरूरत है तो क्या नहीं बोल सकता? क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए? तो आप रिकॉर्ड्स को उठाकर देखिए सर. मैं सिर्फ यही बोला कि ओल्ड सिटी में ये थोड़े काम बाकी है. देयर इज अ कंटिन्यूएशन. गवर्नमेंट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस सर. कि आज अगर 100 करोड़ के काम हुए तो आगे फर्ज करिए उस 100 करोड़ को कंप्लीट करने के लिए एक 10 करोड़ की जरूरत होगी. तो मैं 10 करोड़ के लिए क्या मुतालबा नहीं करूंगा? मैंने आपके सामने कहा कि कितने कितने पोल्स आए, और थोड़े से पोल्स अगर आ जाते हैं तो काम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तो क्या ये मेरा गुनाह है? क्या ये मेरी गलती है? डिड आई डिविएट फ्रॉम द सब्जेक्ट? आई वॉज वेरी मच ऑन द सब्जेक्ट, सर, and I was just requesting the leader of the house and the deputy chief minister and the minister for power to kindly look into this leftover issues. If these leftover issues are considered and attended, the project and the work will be completed.